actually edit this video, but anyways, sorry you didn't see it, but I had to cut out some of this video due to storage. But that exploded. It was like really cool. Let my mom explain. Explain what happened.
There's a lot of sparks.
Okay, yeah.
I'm dying over here. Right.
Let's do garden and sprints, or whatever the hell it says.
In spring.
Isn't that what it's meant? Yeah, guys, that went off. That's amazing. Yep. Anyways, guys, actually, look at the moon. Why aren't you doing that? Look at the moon. Don't look if you're a werewolf. Wait, actually, I'm gonna go put it up on the porch. Hang on. Alright, slide it! Huh? Trying to give you guys a better view. Oh, nothing happened. Anyways, oh, sweet baby Jesus.
Right at the end, it did one. That's pretty good.
I think I just saw a flash. Oh, wait, no, that's just the radio tower. Let's do the last one we have.
This is the biggest one.
And then we'll do all these other ones right after. And we'll do all the smoke bombs.
I like those ones.
We have to do them eventually.
Oh, I was going to say for next year.
Yeah. We're going to do the biggest of the biggest. Hang on, let me go put this down. Right here is good. Yes, yes, yes. I'm going to go up on this porch. I'm just kidding.
Are you sure about this?
Yes, Mom, I'm sure.
All right, here we go.
Should I move my candle?
I don't know.
I'm over here. Oh my God. That's not much. I gotcha!